All right, so at this point, we've extracted, transformed, and loaded our project data using Power Query, but we're still left with a collection of unrelated tables, which will make it difficult to do any sort of meaningful analysis. In this section, we'll focus on creating table relationships and building a proper relational model. We'll be covering some really important foundational topics here, so stay focused and make sure to follow along closely. Welcome to the data modeling section of the course. This is a really important section. It's where we're going to talk about some critical foundational data modeling topics. We're going to talk about things like normalization, fact tables, keys, cardinality, filter flow, and much more. So in this section, we're going to drill into these topics. We'll start with kind of a high-level data modeling 101 overview, then talk about what normalization is and why it's so important. We'll compare and contrast fact or data tables from dimension or lookup tables. Also drill into primary and foreign keys, what they mean, where you can find them. From there, we'll talk a little bit about relationship cardinality and filter flow, which will be critical for understanding exactly how your model works. And we'll wrap up with a quick overview of some different types of common model schemas, like star and snowflake schemas, and some additional tools like categories and hierarchies. So to recap our goals for the section, first and foremost, this is about understanding the basic principles of data modeling. It's really important to build this foundational understanding now before you start going off and writing complicated DAX measures or trying to analyze or visualize the data in your model. We'll also practice actually creating table relationships in Power BI using primary and foreign keys, and we'll talk about different types of relationship cardinality, what they mean. We'll configure some report filters and practice actually tracing filter context as it flows between related tables in our model. And finally, we'll explore some data modeling options like hierarchies, data categories, hidden fields, and more. So we've got a lot to cover. Let's get started.